Let's face it, folks, we love our appliances. They're practically family. From the coffee maker that greets us every morning to the blender that whips up our favorite smoothies, each appliance has a special place in our hearts and homes. Welcome to Clark's Cleaning and Home Services channel. So, just like family, they deserve a little TLC, especially those workhorses like our trusty toasters and toaster ovens. Regular cleaning and maintenance can make a world of difference. It's not just about keeping them looking good, it's about ensuring they function at their best. Now, you might be thinking, why all the fuss about a little crumb? Well, those tiny crumbs can build up over time, leading to bigger problems. They can affect the performance of your toaster, making it less efficient, and even posing a fire hazard. Well, my dears, a clean appliance is a happy appliance, and a happy appliance works better and lasts longer. When you take the time to clean your toaster, you're not just removing crumbs, you're extending its lifespan and ensuring it toasts your bread to perfection every time. Plus, nobody wants last week's bagel bits adding extra flavor to their morning toast. Those old crumbs can affect the taste and quality of your food, making your breakfast less enjoyable. A quick clean can make all the difference. Keeping things tidy isn't just about appearances, it's about safety and, dare I say, good taste. A clean toaster not only looks good on your countertop, but also ensures that every slice of toast is delicious and safe to eat. So, let's give our toasters the love they deserve. Before we get down to the nitty-gritty, let's talk safety. We wouldn't want any kitchen calamities now, would we? First things first, unplug your toaster or toaster oven. Water and electricity are a recipe for disaster, and we're aiming for deliciousness, not danger. Let your appliance cool down completely. We're going for sparkling clean, not singed fingers. Remember, safety always comes first in the kitchen. All right, let's tackle that crumb situation. First, empty the crumb tray. This is the easiest step and often the most overlooked. Every toaster has one, and it's a treasure trove of, well, crumbs. Make sure to give it a good shake to get all those pesky crumbs out. Next, over the sink or trash can, gently turn your toaster upside down and give it a little shake. This helps dislodge any crumbs stuck inside. Those stubborn crumbs got you down? Don't worry, we've got a solution for that too. A clean, dry pastry brush or even your trusty toothbrush, dedicated to cleaning of course, can help coax them out. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. And don't forget to wipe down the exterior of the toaster to keep it looking shiny and new. A damp cloth with a bit of mild dish soap will do the trick for the exterior. This helps remove any grease or grime that may have built up over time. Avoid harsh chemicals. We want a clean toaster, not a science experiment. Stick to mild dish soap to keep your toaster in top condition. Toaster oven, TLC. A deep dive into cleaning your countertop champ. Today, we're going to walk you through the essential steps to keep your toaster oven in tip-top shape. Toaster ovens, those marvelous multitaskers, deserve some extra attention. They can toast, bake, and even broil, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen. But with great power comes great responsibility. First things first, remove the crumb tray and any racks. These parts often collect crumbs and food particles that can affect the performance of your toaster oven. Just like with the toaster, give that crumb tray a good cleaning. Use warm, soapy water and a sponge to scrub away any residue. This will help prevent any burnt smells or smoke during future use. Time for a soak. Fill your sink with warm, soapy water and let those racks enjoy a little spa treatment. This will loosen any baked-on grime and make them easier to clean. Tackling the interior. Dip a soft sponge or cloth into the soapy water, wring it out well, and wipe down the inside of the toaster oven. Be sure to get into all the nooks and crannies where food particles can hide. For stubborn baked-on bits, make a paste with baking soda and water. This natural cleaner is effective and safe for your appliance. Apply it to the affected areas and let it sit for a few minutes before gently scrubbing. This will help lift off any tough, stuck-on food without damaging the surface. Rinse well and dry thoroughly before plugging it back in. Ensuring everything is completely dry will prevent any electrical issues and keep your toaster oven running smoothly. A toast to cleanliness, keeping your appliances happy and healthy. And there you have it. Your toaster and toaster oven are now sparkling clean and ready for their next culinary adventure. Remember, a little regular maintenance goes a long way. Empty that crumb tray frequently. Wipe down spills as they happen to prevent stubborn stains. Treat your appliances with care, and they'll keep on toasting for years to come. Happy toasting, everyone! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.